everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a 6-month update on pressure canned half and half cream. So without further ado, let's turn you around to the counter. This half and half cream was processed at 11 pounds pressure for 10 minutes. So here is the pressure canned half and half from October 2022. How about we open up the jar? But first I'm just gonna get the dust off of that lid. Excellent seal. So here is the cream having collected on the lid. We're going to put that aside. Let's take a good look at the cream as it is, having been on the shelf. Now, there we go. A little lumpy at the top, but we are going to taste this, okay? Oh, you know what? Let's smell it. It smells like it did the day I pressure canned it. Okay, I just want to say that. What I am going to do, though, is give it a good shake. Look, that's, I don't think that'll affect it. It's probably burnt from the dishwasher or something. Now, ordinarily, before I would take off the lid, I would shake it. But because I am filming this, I want you to see, you know, exactly what it looks like. So let's taste it. There, that might be a bit too much to taste because really, I use this in my coffee, okay? Let's give it a taste. Tastes very good. It tastes just like the time I tasted right after I pressure canned. I have an assortment of pressure canned dairy tasting videos, and I will put links to those in the pinned comment so you can see for yourself. You know, you have to know that this is not approved, but it's convenient, and I do it. And I'll continue to do it. Thank you for watching.